Hi there. This is just a short video to tell you how to use Audacity with macOS 10 Catalina. As you may know, there's a bug which prevents from using an external microphone with Audacity with that particular version of the operating system by Apple. So all you have to do is to go to the application folder, look for the Audacity file here. You right-click, show package contents, and then the contents, you go to the macOS folder. Again, there's an Audacity file. All you have to do is just drag and drop this file to your dock, and that's basically it. From there, everything is done automatically. All you have to do is to click on that icon. It will open a window that you can ignore for now. And it will also open the Audacity application. And then you can check, this is version 2.3.2, and you can record right away. The first time you might have to authorize the access to the microphone, but there will be only once. So as you can see, I could record with an external microphone, so that works. Now, the thing is that this icon down there in the dock is pretty ugly, and maybe you want to use a different icon. For that, you're going to go to the same folder, go to Resources, use the Audacity icons or file or any other file where you have icons like that. Then you just click on this icon here and copy it. And then you close that window and you go again to the same file, right-click, Get Info. And there you can see the ugly icon. You just click on it and paste the new icon. And here you can see the new icon for this file that you were using, which is in the macOS folder here. And so what you want to do is to remove the old one and take this one and put it instead there. So now we're going to remove this one, which is the actual application icon, and use our own version. When you click on it, you open this window you can ignore, and it will also open again Audacity, and you can record as said before. And that's it. So I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching.